This is my bike check. So, starting with the bars. I have some framed bars. On the bars, have some Shadow Conspiracy 13 grips. Holding the grips, got some bar ends, some Shadow bar ends. I have this little thing on there because my grip started to slip, and I'm waiting for my order to come in from Danscomp. My stem is just a stock stem. It works very, very good. The bars never slip. A framed frame. Yeah, I love framed. So framed. My forks are some frame forks that I bought. They're pretty new. And then my front tire is just a team issue dirt tire by Mongoose. Bought that off the internet just maybe a few weeks ago. I think the inner tube's busted in it because it is flat. I don't know if y'all can see that. It is flat, but the tire's not because it's thick. But the tire, let me try to put it. Yes, look. See, it's flat, but it might just lost air. But my hub is I forgot what kind of hub, but I bought a back hub and a front hub from Danscomp, and I got Danscomp to lace it. Integrated headset. I got a KHE Bikes seat. They no longer have this on Danscomp. I don't know why. It's a pivotal seat. So yeah, just a stock seat post. Stock cranks, stock thing. KMC gold half-link chain. In the back, got a stock tire. With some kind of Danscomp hub. My pedals I broke yesterday. They're VP pedals. I'm waiting for my order to come in. This one ain't broke, but my other one is. Watch. I'll try to put my bike down. Okay, see, watch. See, the pedal just broke off. Like it just is broke. Oh no. I landed too hard on a dirt jump. I will try to make some videos back there. Have dirt jumps back there in the woods. A lot of people do their sound of their hub, so I guess I'll do that. Okay, so that's my hub. I don't know if I skipped anything. My sprocket, I don't know if I said anything about sprocket. That's stock. So, I think it's some rust remover or something. Look at that. It's rusted. Stupid. So, yeah.